everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back. Today we're going to get straight into it. Lovely Freya. Freya's back again. Think summer barbecues, weddings, going out for the day. We're going to do a bun. It's going to be no heat, no curls, no backcombing. So I'm going to be using my fingers to just drag the hair upwards. I'm not going to be using a brush or comb. I want it to be dead fast. I want it to look kind of effortless. I am going to be using this hair tape. I'll put the link in. So it's like a silicone sort of substance that sticks to itself, and you'll see how I'll use this in a minute. So I'm just cutting a bit off. Just dropping it on the floor, you know. That's okay. So that's what we're left with. And I've also just used Lala's prep tool just to thicken up the hair. Again, I'll put that in the description for you. So literally guys, just getting my hands and just dragging this hair up. So once I've done that guys, now if you noticed I haven't used spray today, I haven't used hairspray, I haven't used clay spray. I want it to be kind of really sort of organic. I don't want it to look like I've done it too much. I've got the hair into a high pony, just using my hands, using my fingers like that. Once you've done that, you're going to peel away this silicone. So you're left with that. Next, I'm just going to place that down, hold it with my thumb. So it's like that. I'm just going to wrap it around the hair. And the reason I'm using this instead of a hair tie is it means that the hair doesn't move. Once I've placed that hair where I want it to be, so that is in and it does not move. And now what I'm going to do is just take random chunks of hair. I'm going to split them into two, and I'm just going to cross them over a couple of times. Once I've done that, and again I don't want this to be too perfect, so don't worry about it all like the little flyaways and stuff. I'm just going to tease out that section, and then I'm going to place an elastic. I'm taking another section of hair, doing the same guys, so just crossing it over, don't overthink it, just a few little twists, and you're going to tease. If the hair's super shiny and healthy and really slippy, you could use a little bit of hairspray or clay spray or dry shampoo. So next guys, I'm just going to be taking these little twisties that we've made, and I'm just going to be pinning them around in a bun shape. So literally just taking a hairpin and pushing it in. And we're going to tease all these bits out, but can you see how I'm leaving these ends coming down? And I'm going to show you what to do with these ends in a minute. Now these little sort of bits that we kind of left at the end, like the tail ends, what I want you to do is a Dutch braid. So you're going to break it, the first one, into three. And again, I'm not going to do this neatly. I'm just going to go under the middle, under the middle, under the middle, and then until I come to the next sort of little tail bit, and I'm just going to start adding it in. So under the middle, adding in those little tails. As I go around, I'm just going to stop there for a second. I'm going to start messing it up. So we've come all the way around to the other side, and I'm going to just kind of hide this braid into the hair. Teasing out, messy, messy. Messier the better. So I'm just pinning that braid in, and then you're going to go back through, spraying, having a look, make sure the balance of the style is right. And then what I'm going to do is just bring down some bits of hair. I'm really trying to just give it that kind of messy look. I know this isn't for everybody. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you like this style. Please leave me a comment below, and also any suggestions of what you'd like to see me do. And I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.